I want to talk about the data breach notification requirements. I worked with a few customers who had, unfortunately, breaches in their environment and were really struggling and scrambling and didn't really know what to do and the timelines and so on. So in UK, if you have a data breach, you're required to report to ICO within 72 hours. Now there is a threshold that you need to go through to ensure that you're doing all the right things, and it also tells you whether to notify ICO or not. Now, in cases where there is no requirement and you go through that threshold on ICO's website and there is no requirement to report to ICO, then you must still log this in incident log. So you must maintain an incident log, and you must log an incident into the incident log of your organization, even if you do not report to ICO as per the threshold. And obviously, as I said, this threshold is clearly listed on ICO's website. I will share a link as well in the comments, to this to the threshold, and you could check it yourself. The other thing that you must do is, if it is a high risk data breach and if it does affect the rights and privacy of data subject, you must inform the data subjects. So the data subjects involved, you must inform them about the data breach. So that's another absolutely important requirement that you must understand and must follow in case of a data breach. Now the ICO notification is 72 hours. So you have to report to ICO in 72 hours, and you must also have a plan if it is a high risk situation to report to the data subjects and give them various options of how they can take actions and suggestions and so on, and also provide your contact details so they can get in contact with you as well. The other thing that you must understand about data breaches is the origin of the data breaches. So sometimes it could be as simple as missent email. That is a data breach as well. So even if one individual email has been sent to the recipients who are not supposed to see personal data or other special category data. I was working with a company in UK, a mental health therapy company. They had a single incident, and we had to report that single incident as well. So please go through ICO's guidance and ensure that you're doing all the right things from the perspective of data breach notification. This is a very important thing, and a lot of times companies struggle with understanding what to do even when there is a data breach. And during that data breach, people are trying to understand, but the clock is ticking really, because you have 72 hours from ICO, and you have to notify the data subjects as well, if especially it contains special categories data. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to us, and I hope that's useful. See you in the next video. Thank you.